This video will demonstrate how to manage your student roster on Great Leaps Digital. On this Manage Students page, you are able to share your students with other instructors, delete or archive students or add new ones, manage the students' licenses, view their records, and edit student information. If you have licenses available in reading or math, you may add a student from this page. When adding a student, be sure to select only the appropriate programs that they'll be utilizing in Great Leaps. Note that all of the information below the programs row is optional and will not be shown to the student. If your account is set up as an organization, you'll notice the option to add this student to a specific group below. We will cover more about organization management and instructor management in a separate video. When you're done entering the correct information, you can click Add to add the student and see them appear below on your roster. If you'd like to share your student with another instructor, allowing them the ability to do exercises with that student and view their data, you may select the students you would like to share, click the Share button, enter in the username of the account that you would like to share them to, and then click Share. If you would like to revoke that instructor's access to the students that have been shared with them, you can do so in the Share settings. To edit the license types that a student has access to, you can do so by clicking the plus sign or under the Edit Student button. To quickly add a reading license to Michael Jordan here, who only has access to math currently, I can click the plus sign, select Reading, and then click Edit License. If a student has both license types added, but, for example, they have graduated from the reading program and you'd like to remove their access to that license to make room for another student, you may do so by clicking Edit, selecting the license you'd like to remove, and then click Save. You'll see the licenses available adjusted on the top left corner. If a student is no longer at your school or no longer in need of the Great Leaps program, you can archive that student or delete them. When you archive a student, that student's data will be saved and accessible at any time in the future. However, they'll no longer have access to do exercises in the program and submit new data. It will also free up that student's licenses to be applied to other new students. Please be aware that if you archive a student and they end up going back into the Great Leaps program, you'll need to contact Great Leaps to get us to reactivate that student on your account. Only archive students if you are confident they will not be returning to do Great Leaps with your account. If you have a large student roster, we have tools available to make it easy to find the student that you need to edit or make adjustments to. You can do so by searching that student's name or by sorting your students using the top row. You can sort them alphabetically, by license type, by their status, active or archived, or the instructor that they might be shared to your account from. You can also remove students who have been shared to your account on the Manage License column.